Shalom, shalom to all the members of the Board of the Governors of the Jewish Agency for Israel. My name is Eliad Eliyahu, and I'm the Shaliach of Partnership Together Western Galilee with a consortium of 12 communities in the Midwest in the United States. I'm also the Senior Community Shaliach here in Omaha, Nebraska, which is one of the 12 communities of our partnership. In Omaha, Nebraska, we have 5 successful school twinning programs with early childhood, with kindergartens, with classes in elementary schools, with the BBYO youth group, which is connected to another youth groups in Kibbutz Hebron in Israel, and we just started a new educational school twinning with the Kerstridge Public School in Omaha, with all the importance of having school twinning with Israel in public schools. So with no further ado, I want to introduce the brilliant kids from Friedel Jewish Academy here in Omaha, Nebraska to sing for you in this special occasion. So,
Gesher Tzar Meod, Gesher Tzar Meod, Gesher Tzar Meod, Kol Ha'am Kulot, Gesher Tzar.
My name is Pam Cohn, and I am the proud principal of Friedel Jewish Academy in Omaha, Nebraska. We do have a wonderful partnership with a school in Israel called Mayanot. It is a valuable lesson for our students. The students exchange letters. They look at pre-made videos on both sides because of the time. And it's also valuable for our colleagues back and forth to share lessons that are valuable on different ways to present the holidays, different ways to present the culture of Israel, and that's very valuable for our teachers. Our teachers share with the Israeli teachers how to teach cultures here in the United States. And while we have differences, we're very, very much alike, and we appreciate everything we get from our partnership.
I'm Rachel Cricksfeld, and I go to Friedel Jewish Academy in Omaha, Nebraska, and I'm in 5th grade. And we get to have a partnership with the school Mayanot in Israel, in the Western Galilee in Kibbutz Kabri, and we get to talk to them in Hebrew, and they send letters to us, and we send letters to them. And right now we're reading the same book, and it's a story about a girl who survived the Holocaust. And we get to talk to them about what they do at school, and like their hobbies and their siblings, and we get to relate to them. I really like being in the program with Israel.
and as I mentioned before, here in Omaha we have educational twinning with early childhood. So here, the CDC, the Children Development Center, is connected to Jasmine Kindergarten in Akko, and both educators are exchanging educational materials like presentations, songs, and dances, as you can see now. Let your hand in a circle. Turn around.